Welcome to Coates, a vibrant and family-friendly neighborhood in Milton. Dining options are plentiful, with local favorites like Tim Hortons, Symposium Café, and A&W just around the corner. Everyday essentials are covered with nearby shops, pharmacies, and even an EV charging station for the eco-conscious residents. Parks are abundant, including Featherstone, Maguire, and Bristol District Park, offering green space for relaxation and play. Sports enthusiasts can enjoy soccer fields, basketball courts, and a splash pad. Families enjoy access to top schools such as Our Lady of Fatima Catholic Elementary and Tigerjeet Singh Public School. Coates is a thriving community that welcomes you with open arms and modern conveniences. Once you step into Coates, you'll see why residents love this flourishing neighborhood.